Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are fine. And I once again welcome you back to my YouTube channel Star Education. And in this video we are going to start NCERT solutions for class 9th maths, as in the previous videos we have done till exercise 1.5. So in this video we will be continuing with exercise 1.6, and this video will be the last video for chapter 1, as exercise 1.6 is the last exercise. So let's start. So see, I have solved this question for you. How I have solved it? As I know that 64 is the square root of 8. So we will write 8 in this form only, that 8 square by 1 upon 2. And 2 cancels, 2 by 2 cancels, and we are left with 8 as our answer. Moving to second part. 32 by 1 upon 5. As we know that 32 is not the factor, not the square root of any of the number. So what we will do is, we will try to find its factors. These are the factors of 32. How we have found them? In this way. We have done the prime factorization of 32. Now putting the value of 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 in this question. So we will write it in this form. Now 5 cancels by 5 and we are left with 2 as our answer. Moving to third part now. This is the third part, as 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 cube, is equal to 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 cancels and we are left with 5 as our answer. Moving to question number 2. Now moving to question number 2, find, it's a similar type of question. 9 is the square root of 3. 3 3s are 9. So we have written 9 in this form. Now we will cancel 2 by 2 and we are left with 3 cube, which is equal to 3 cube is equal to 3 by 3 by 3, which is equal to 27, which we get as our answer. Moving to second part now. This is the second part. Again we have written 32 in this form. 2 to the 5 to the 2 to the power 5, and 5 and 5 cancels like this, and 2 by 2 is 4, which we get as our answer. Moving to third part. 2 to the power 4 and then multiplying it by 3, it with 3 upon 4. 4 and 4 cancels and we are left with 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 8. Now moving to third. So now this is question number third, part first. 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 upon 5. We have to write this statement that when bases are same in multiplication, powers are added. We have studied this identity in class 8th. As the bases are same, the base is 2, this is same in both the cases. So we will add the powers like this. 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 5. We will add these. See, 10 up plus 3 upon 15. Then we will get our answer as 2 to the power 13 upon 15. Now moving to second part. This is our third part. 11 to the power 1 upon 2 upon 11 to the power 1 upon 4. Now let's solve it. First of all, we have to write the same statement, that when the bases are in division, they are subtracted. When the bases are same and in division, so the powers are subtracted. See, we have written the statement here. When bases are same in division, powers are subtracted. So 11 to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. By taking the LCM, we get our answer as 11 to the power 1 upon 4. Moving to fourth part. Now in this case, the bases are not same, but the powers are same. So we will have to do this. We will put them in one bracket, the bases, and the power outside the bracket. Then 7 8s are 56, because this full stop, this dot indicates multiplication. Then 56 to the power 1 upon 2 we get as our answer. Now here we are done with the exercise 1.6. Now this part I have told you to discuss in the next video. It's exercise 1.5 question 1/5 part. The answer is irrational. Hope your answer was right. And at the end of the video, I would request you all to please like my videos, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. And in the next videos we will be starting with our chapter 2 polynomials. Wait for my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.